Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and verifying 0 voltage. You must test with a meter to be safe. Once the panel is de-energized, label each wire so you never guess later. That saves time and avoids reversed feeds. Make sure you have insulated tools and the right connectors on hand. Without them, you risk damage or faulty joints. Begin by loosening the terminal screws you labeled. Then feed the prepared conductor into the designated terminal and snug the screw to secure the first connection. Once the first connection is secured, continue methodically. Strip precisely 6 to 8 millimeters and install ferrules or crimp connectors to prevent stray strands. Connect any bus jumpers in the sequence that maintains circuit integrity so you avoid creating live open circuits. This preserves system stability. Use a torque screwdriver or chart to tighten terminals to specification, because correct torque prevents heating and failures. After all middle connections are done, verify continuity and correct polarity with the meter before progressing to final closure. You finish by closing covers and restoring power in controlled stages so you can react quickly if something trips. Once power is back, measure output voltages and run a brief load test to confirm normal operation. Watching for abnormal noise or heat tells you if something's wrong. If a problem appears, de-energize and troubleshoot. Recheck wire labels, terminal torque, and continuity of each connection, because loose screws or swapped wires are the most common failures and the quickest to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.